This next song, I'm definitely gonna lose a few of you. But I'd always wanted to parody a song 3 times in the same song. So here you go. This one definitely escalates also. Oh, I should have had Kurt play this one. And I was walking one day with my buddy. I was walking one day with my puppy. I saw my buddy drinking coffee by himself, and so I called him to see what he was doing. He looked at the phone, but he didn't pick up. Dude, that's me. It's me calling. You saw me. Me calling. I love my grandma. She's quite an old lady. Been in a wheelchair for 29 years. And then one day, while watching TV, she reached for the remote control, fell out of her chair, and now she's crawling. You know she's crawling. If you didn't like that verse, I'd walk the fuck out for the next one. If you can't handle the comedy show, you know where it's not happening? On the fucking street. See you later. By the way, I'm serious. This next verse is really gonna bother you if that one did. But this actually happened to me. I worked on a TV show with a kid named Corky called Life Goes On. He was mentally challenged, and then one day he couldn't remember his lines, and the director yelled, "What's wrong with him? Dude, he's retarded. You know he's retarded." By the way, I did this song last night and people started to sing along. I'm like, you can't sing along to this part. Fucked. You can't still part you can't sing along to. You can't sing. And I want to say, I'm going to give you guys a little comedy nerd shit if I can. So when you do comedy, is so much about timing and your inflection and your words and how you use them. So I had to really think about how I wanted to do this part of the song. So I've done it 2 different ways. I did it this way. Dude, he's retarded. And I did another way. I said, dude, he's retarded. Now, when I did it like that, people booed. And I'll tell you why. Because when I say, dude, he's you guys are making the joke before I do. I don't gotta do shit. So don't get mad at me. You laughed before I fucking said it.